Each and every day, the kidneys are responsible for filtering the fluids in your body in order to eliminate waste and pollutants. So the beverages you consume can have an impact on the health of your kidneys. In addition, it is of utmost significance to pay close attention to the amount of fluids that you consume if you have kidney problems, regardless of whether they are the result of a long-term disease or a short condition. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here is a list of 5 beverages shown in my video that can assist your kidneys in performing at their optimal level. 1. The water. Water makes up approximately 60% to 70% of your body. And the kidneys, which are responsible for eliminating waste from your body, are dependent on water in order to produce urine. Additionally, water assists in maintaining the openness of your blood vessels, which allows blood to have access to your organs, including your kidneys. By consuming an adequate amount of water on a daily basis, you are able to protect your kidneys. According to the findings of one study, individuals who consumed nearly 2 liters of water on a daily basis had a lower risk of developing renal problems. This was particularly true for adult males and those who were older. However, if you have renal disease that is in a later stage, particularly if you are receiving dialysis, you might be required to restrict the overall amount of fluids that you consume. Your healthcare professional will be able to assist you in determining the appropriate amount of fluid that you require based on the function of your kidneys. 2. Milk with a low fat content. People with chronic renal disease who consumed low-fat milk had a slower decline in their kidney illness, according to the findings of a study that was conducted over a long period of time. To put it another way, their kidneys functioned more effectively for a longer period of time. Some of the elements included in dairy products, such as calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and magnesium, are thought by scientists to have the potential to reduce blood pressure and safeguard the kidney's health. Notably, the researchers did not observe the same benefit in individuals who consumed milk that included a large amount of fat. In light of this, it is possible that milk's potential advantages could be diminished if it contains an excessive amount of fat, or that milk could even be detrimental. 3. Coffee. As a result of its ability to improve blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation in the kidneys, coffee is believed by specialists to be beneficial to kidney health. The use of coffee has been linked to a reduced likelihood of acquiring renal illness, according to research investigations. However, it is not quite apparent whether it can slow down the rate at which renal disease worsens. According to the findings of one study, individuals who consumed 1 or more cups of coffee on a daily basis had a lower chance of passing away due to kidney illness in comparison to those who never consumed coffee. One further study discovered that individuals who consumed 3 cups of coffee on a daily basis had an even reduced risk of developing an illness. On the other hand, these investigations did not discover a comparative advantage in those who already have impaired kidney function. Given this, it is not yet known whether or not coffee has the same preventive effects for individuals who suffer from kidney illness. Consequently, if you have renal illness and enjoy drinking coffee, you should keep the following matters in mind. Maintain a moderate intake of coffee. Aim for a daily consumption of less than 3 cups. Specifically, this is due to the fact that consuming big quantities of coffee can be high in potassium, which might result in elevated potassium levels in individuals who have kidney disease. Pour yourself a cup of black coffee. Extraneous components may provide a health risk. For instance, syrups may contain a significant amount of potassium and phosphorus. Additionally, they could have a significant amount of sugar in them. Consider switching to decaf coffee if you find that regular coffee causes your blood pressure to rise. There is a need for additional research to determine whether or not caffeine contributes to the health advantages of coffee. Nevertheless, specialists are aware that a sudden increase in blood pressure is detrimental to the kidneys. 4. Green tea. In addition to being an antioxidant, catechins can be found in green tea. This indicates that they contribute to the reduction of inflammation throughout the body, which can be beneficial for your kidneys. There is evidence that drinking green tea can reduce the likelihood of developing kidney stones. There is a catechin found in green tea called EGCG, epigallocatechin 3 gallate, which has the potential to be very beneficial for individuals who suffer from renal disease. Therefore, if you have renal disease, it is recommended that you drink green tea in moderation, just like you would with coffee. 5. Cinnamon juice that has not been sweetened. One other category of antioxidants, flavonoids, can be found in abundance in cranberries. It is possible that you have heard that drinking cranberry juice can assist in the prevention of urinary tract infections, UTIs. This is due to the fact that cranberry juice has the potential to aid in preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary system. In addition, individuals who suffer from kidney illness should exercise heightened caution in order to avoid urinary tract infections, UTIs. Some urinary tract infections, UTIs, can result in pyelonephritis, which is an illness that affects the kidneys. In the same way that they prevent germs from adhering to the urinary tract, scientists believe that cranberries also prevent bacteria from adhering to the kidneys. Try to choose options that are low in sugar or unsweetened. Additionally, an increase in blood sugar and blood pressure, both of which are detrimental to the kidneys, can be caused by an excess of sugar. Those who suffer from renal illness should steer clear of certain beverages. Drinking should be avoided by a person who has kidney disease because studies have shown that individuals who have kidney illness may be at risk for adverse health effects. 1. If they consume 2 or more cola drinks on a daily basis. It is believed by specialists that the phosphoric acid found in cola beverages might remove calcium from bones, hence elevating the likelihood of developing kidney stones and renal failure. 2. Alcohol. Consuming alcohol reduces the kidney's capacity to filter blood and raises blood pressure, both of which can result in damage to the kidneys. 3. Beverages that contain sugar. In a variety of ways, beverages that are sweetened can be harmful to the kidneys. They cause an increase in inflammation, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels throughout the body. It is also possible for sugary drinks to contribute to weight gain, which further increases the risk of these kidney-damaging effects. When it comes to persons who have low kidney function, why is it crucial to stay hydrated? Keeping yourself hydrated will help your kidneys continue to function more effectively, especially if you have low renal function. It is possible for severe dehydration to cause damage to the kidneys, which can make kidney disease even more severe. Additionally, even minor dehydration can cause harm to the kidneys if it occurs frequently enough. One of the consequences of dehydration is that it causes waste to accumulate in the body, which in turn causes your kidneys to work harder to eliminate it. It is possible that some individuals with chronic renal disease will require more careful monitoring of their fluid consumption than others. When you have renal failure that is in its later stages, or if you require dialysis, consuming an excessive amount of fluid can both overwhelm the kidneys and cause other health problems. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more content like this. See you in my next powerful, interesting, and informative video.